Hello, wonderful people. I greet you all. This is Classic I World, bringing to you job in Luxembourg. Luxembourg is a nice country surrounded by France, Germany, and Belgium. So, when you get their passport, you can travel all over the world. They announced that they have a lot of jobs. So, if you know what you are capable of doing, you give them the resume and the CV. Apply in the email and go to Google and type in job in Luxembourg and hit enter. Another chapter we open. Please, dear, try to click everything clickable, especially that triple line at the top. You will see where they will tell you apply. Start applying. Umunne, just watch till the end. After watching this video, if it pleases you, just say interesting or good, fine, beautiful. Here they welcoming you. They say start by entering your email to access the job offer. Una forgive ya bụ ụmụnne jisi na ike ka unu nweta ya. Unu luo ebe ahụ unu tinye email unu tinye email unu tinye CV unu tinye resume. Yes, you have to tell them the position you are applying for. Tell them the position. For instance, this is administration assistant, full time. The Luxembourg, they speak both France and Germany. They speak many languages. They speak English. Yes, when you get there, you cannot suffer learning their language. They have their local language also. Please tell them the position you are looking for. For example, corporate assistant manager, unufilia, the sector, legal advice, and audit. Yes, please, dear people, tell them the position you are looking for. You will see the search. You search the position you are looking for. A lot of job offers, discover job offers from company. A lot of employers, they are there seeking for clients, seeking for workers, because they lack workers because of their aging population. Yes, look at where you will click. All those where I circled red, try to click them. You see, search by position. Yes, unu search anya like position ị na-achọ. Ihe ọbụla nke a fanyezi a lot of opportunity. They offer a lot of opportunity. Anything you want to do, there is opportunity there. Just search. If you search, tell them the position you are looking for. After watching this video, if it pleases you, if it interests you, say interesting or I am interested, or you say good, fine, beautiful. Yes, try to click everywhere clickable, especially where they are written job offer. Click it, triple line, browse, scroll down and up. You will see everything. Yes, this is the link. Screenshot it and type it in your browser, or you can simply type job in Luxembourg and hit enter. This is their logo, portfolio. What you will do for us after watching this video: like our video, comment, share. If it interests you, say interesting. If you are interested, say I am interested, or you can say good, fine, beautiful, or cool, so that I will bring you interesting things. Ndewo na ụmụnne, daalụnụ. Kpọọnụ ndị mmadụ, call your relative, call your friends, call your well wishers, tag them in this post. If you have not followed us, please try to follow us. Ndewo, ka emesịa nụ.